using swap feature in drafts in Underdog Fantasy. Now the swap feature in Underdog Fantasy drafts. So when you go to underdogfantasy.com, you can go to the draft option from the top left right here. This option helps you and is designed to help you adjust your lineup in case of unexpected player inactivity. So here's how it works when it happens, right? So before the contest starts, so if a player you drafted is marked as inactive, maybe due to injury, suspension, etc., before the contest begins, the swap feature will automatically kick in. Then what happens is automatic replacement. Underdog will automatically replace your inactive player with the next highest projected player at that position. If you use custom rankings, the replacement will be selected from the top of your rankings list. And if you don't use custom rankings, the replacement will be selected based on Underdog's default projections. Now, basically, the example is you draft a running back in the third round. Before the contest starts, that running back is ruled out due to injury. The swap feature automatically replaces your injured running back with the next highest projected running back available. And it is a helpful tool to minimize the impact of unexpected player news on your Underdog Fantasy lineups. By automatically replacing inactive players, it ensures you have the best possible chance of success in your contest. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.